Hey everyone, it's Dustin here, your local Sprinter guy. I just wanted to do a quick overview of the upfit we did here for this 2021 Sprinter Cargo. It's a 144 wheelbase with a standard roof. We got this unit upfitted for Blair Heating and Air. If you see on top there, we got a ladder rack from Cargo Master. All of this upfit was done by Strong's in Riverside. In the rear, they went with a shelving system by Ranger Design. On the back wall there, they went with a standard partition from Mercedes-Benz. And then they have a 3-piece tank holder. It does 150 tank on the top and 230s on the bottom. Like the way it came out. Very happy with their work. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you guys.